welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a delicious snack of Maharashtra called chakli. The flour which is used for making chakli is known as bhazani in Marathi. Mostly the ingredients that are used for making this bhazani are roasted at home and are taken to a nearby mill for grinding. The only reason is that the flour has to be extremely fine powder. But here in my kitchen, I have tried using a professional grinder which is designed for making different kinds of flours, and the product turned out to be extremely well, and I got the same authentic delicious taste for my chaklis. First, let us take a look at all the ingredients that we need. For making the chakli flour or the bhazani, you will need rice 1 cup, chana dal or split chickpea lentil half a cup, black lentil or urad dal 1/4 of a cup, coriander seeds 2 tablespoons and cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. These are the ingredients that you will need to make chakli from 2 cups of chakli flour. Sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, salt by taste, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, red chili powder by taste, and oil 2.5 teaspoons for the dough and more for deep frying. Besides these, you will also need a chakli dispenser, a special machine to dispense the chakli. It has a small disc with a hole at the bottom, and inside there is space to fill the chakli dough. To make the chakli flour, we are going to dry roast all the ingredients that I mentioned for making the chakli flour. Let us start with the rice first. Keep turning it around, keep the flame on medium and dry roast till they start turning slightly brownish in color. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes before they are finally done. After the rice are done, remove them from the pan, keep them aside, and now we are going to roast the chana dal or the split chickpea lentil. In the same way, we have to keep it turning on medium flame and dry roast till it starts turning slightly brownish. Now transfer this from the pan. You can transfer it to the same container where you have transferred the rice. Now similarly roast the urad dal or the black lentil, and when it is slightly pinkish in color, keep it aside. Now the coriander seeds, in a few seconds they will become darker in color. Keep them aside and then dry roast the cumin seeds as well. All the 5 ingredients that we just roasted, I have transferred all of them to this grinder jar, and we are going to grind this into a very fine powder. After pausing the grinder multiple times and turning this around, I have finally made this into an extremely fine powder, and this is our chakli flour or bhazani, which is now ready. Now we are going to use 2 cups of chakli flour to make chaklis. So I have measured 2 cups of water and kept in a pan for heating. Add 2.5 teaspoons of oil to this. Also add the sesame seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. And now allow this to boil. When it starts boiling, turn off the gas, and now to this add 2 cups of the chakli flour. Mix it together nicely, and now cover it and allow it to stay for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, when it cools down a little, we have to knead this nicely, and if you think that it is very dry, then you can sprinkle just a little, 1 scoopful of water, and then knead it nicely to make it into a dough. Remember that I have added very little water, just 1 or maybe 2 scoops, just to bring it all together to remove the dryness and make it like a dough. Kneading it nicely with force is most important, and that will bring it to this consistency. Now take a small portion of this dough and we are going to fill it inside the chakli dispenser. Fill the container tightly, making sure that there are no air spaces left within, otherwise while dispensing your chakli might break. Cover the rest of the dough and now close the lid of the chakli dispenser. Now heat oil in a pan for deep frying. And now let us dispense the first batch of the chaklis onto a rolling board. Instead of a rolling board, you can also use a plastic sheet or maybe parchment paper. And we are going to dispense about 4 or 5 chaklis, or as many as can fit inside the pan for deep frying. First batch of chaklis is ready. Also our oil is hot now. So add all the chaklis to the hot oil. Keep the flame on low medium and deep fry all the chaklis till they are golden brown in color. A couple of times in between you will have to flip them around to the other side so that they get evenly fried. And while they are getting fried, you can also keep the next batch of the chaklis ready by dispensing on the rolling board. After 1.5 to 2 minutes, I am flipping them around to the other side. Do this very carefully so that the little spikes on the chakli do not break. After about 4 to 5 minutes of deep frying on low to medium heat, you can see they have attained a nice golden brown color. Drain excess oil and remove them on a paper towel. And similarly prepare chaklis from the rest of the dough by dispensing and frying small batches simultaneously. So our yummy and crispy chaklis are now ready. Allow them to cool completely and then store in an airtight container. Starting from making the chakli flour to getting crispy delicious chaklis is a long way, and there are many steps in between that can go wrong and your chaklis can turn either too soft or too hard to bite. To prevent this from happening, I have shared some tips under the video in the description. Please remember to go through them once before you start making the chaklis. So enjoy making this crispy delicious snack at home. Remember to like and subscribe, and also remember that I am waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching.